Hi, this is Zoe with Telycam. Today we're diving into Telycam PTZ camera's dual initial position features. This is a powerful upgrade to auto tracking. Well, think of this as preset function under auto tracking mode. Here's how it works. When a tracked subject leaves the frame, the camera returns to its predefined initial position and continues searching for new targets. With the dual initial positions, the camera alternates between two preset locations until it locks onto a new subject. But why use two initial positions? Well, let's break down into real-world scenarios. First one is dual presenter workflows, which is perfect for classrooms and conferences. Imagine a large university lecture hall. You can set initial position 1 for the professor's podium at the main blackboard and set initial position 2 for the teaching assistant's station at the opposite end. When the presenters change or alternate, the camera intelligently switches between positions, ensuring seamless focus on the active speaker. No manual adjustment needed. The second scenario is stage transitions. For events with host and guest speakers, we'll set the initial position 1 for the host starting point and initial position 2 for the guest center stage. When the host leaves the stage or exits the stage, the camera scans both positions, instantly locking onto the guest. You only need to set once before the live stream, and the camera will track automatically throughout the show. The third scenario is when you live stream in a crowded environments, like in large venues, lecture halls, or concerts. The camera often zooms in tightly from the back of the room. People coming late or audience movement may inevitably block the subject, so you might lose the target. But with dual initial positions, the camera can rapidly search between two high probability zones and minimizing the downtime. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and we'll see you in the next one.